What is up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to make it a real quick video, and I'm going to be talking about how to boost watch time on YouTube videos with paid tools. Now, there's not really any free tools. There may be some custom free tools that others have created, but there really isn't any like free way to get more watch time and like kind of force the issue, if you will, force watch time to happen. But there are some paid tools, and this isn't an all-inclusive list, just the two that I know of and that I have used and that I have results that I'm going to show you. Now, just keep in mind, guys, that you don't want to over abuse anything like this. It's just to help you get rankings. You definitely don't want to use these tools to throw thousands of views at your videos, because you probably will get caught. This is definitely gray hat, even into black hat methods. So you have to choose for yourself what you're comfortable with and so forth. So we're going to jump in real quick. I just want to show you some rankings. So here's one with Jasper AI. It's Jasper AI Review. It's getting about 2,000 monthly searches, and I held the top spot for months. I'm not actively promoting my video, but I'm still getting some of the results from this, right? And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm ranked number 5. There's some people that came in after I made my video 6 months ago and swooped in. They have big channels. This guy makes millions of dollars a month. He grew his channel to 50,000 subscribers in less than a year. So he's done really well. But I have a little tiny YouTube channel. One of my other YouTube channels, some of you guys know, it's called LearnWire. And I got 9,000 views. Now, keep in mind, when you look at these views, they're not going to be because of these tools. They're 99% of these views are going to be real organic views. And these videos bring in money and bring in sales through affiliate marketing. So for a very big keyword, very competitive, look, we can just keep going down the list. Look at all these Jasper AI reviews. Look at all of the competition. It just keeps going, Jasper AI. I mean, this is a very competitive keyword, and I'm ranked all the way up at the top. And I could probably use these tools to push this video up if I wanted to. We're going to go and check in some more. So here's another example on that channel, a new software that came out about a month ago, and I hold the top spot right here, even above some channels that are bigger than mine as well. We'll keep coming through here. And now we're going to look at some of Teach Me Money Methods rankings. So here's one, how to choose a niche for affiliate marketing. These are all carefully selected real keywords that people search for, like right here. Let's see, how to choose a niche for affiliate marketing. So 170 searches per month, right? So people are searching for this. And you can see right here, I hold the top spot, ranked number 1. This may not have a ton of competition, but we are ranked number 1 for that as well. And then right over here, how to put Amazon affiliate links on YouTube. We are also ranked number 2 right here. And we're going against a channel that has over 500,000 subscribers, and we are ranked number 2. Super cool stuff. This stuff works, guys. Make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods, because I am going to be doing tutorials like this, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start making money with YouTube. So definitely you don't want to miss this. Turn that bell notification on and just drop me a comment below. So here's some more rankings, how to use PLR products to make money online. We're ranked number 3 for a couple years. I held the top spot with this video right here, and it's gotten me 23,000 views. Then we're going to come through over here and how to make money with PLR, a very just general term, broad term. And I hold the top 2 spots for that term as well. And then we come through over here, make money online as a graphic designer. And we are ranked like number 5 right here for that keyword as well, and so forth. So, and then here's one, a script writing software for YouTube videos, ranked number 1. Okay, so I hope I proved to you, and we're in an incognito window right here. So these are all real search results. You can go and double check me. So what are some tools that you can use in order to help boost your watch time, and then more importantly, get you rankings, right? So if you can rank higher at the top, you're going to get more organic views. That's the way it works. And then you're going to get a lot more watch time, right? So there's a lot of other tips that I can give you as far as watch time. Obviously, the longer you hold people's attention in your video, the more premium content, really good content that you can deliver in your videos, the longer people will continue watching the video. Obviously, I have a different teaching style and a different video method. I push record and I go for it and teach you guys. I don't really go and outsource and do a bunch of video editing. Yes, you guys saw some really highly video edited videos, the last like 10 videos. That I hired a voiceover artist. I did some of the voiceovers myself, but then I hired a video editor that went and did all that fancy stuff. And at the end of the day, that stuff really, for my purposes, didn't really get any more views than my normal videos, like what you're watching right now, tutorials and stuff, right? So, but there is that, you can polish your videos more, do more, jump cuts, and kind of like right now where I'm talking on the screen right now for a long time, I'm not recording myself on the screen or anything, so I could be losing your guys' attention right now. So this isn't really recommended. You really do want to kind of move, the more you move the screen around and present new things on the screen, the more likely people are going to stay. Okay. So, but that is, right here, I'm talking about tools that can help you. And there's other tips and stuff that you can actually do inside of your video. So that will be for another video. So some of these tools, so this one is called EI Stacker Views Campaign. What? Right? So this standalone access feature gives you access to Stacker Views campaigns to boost your YouTube views. Okay, so you have, there's really just a really small YouTube page right here. But basically what's going to end up happening is, I'll show you real quick, but they have actually just recently introduced this starter plan at $47 a month, and then there's $97 a month, and then the 200,000 credits for $200 a month. Now, I've been on this plan for months now, and this one works just fine for me, the professional plan. Now, if we come inside the software over here, I'm going to go to campaigns. And sometimes I don't use the software, sometimes I do. But look right here, all these different ones, like look, 3 days ago, 1 week ago, 3 weeks ago, like I do use this software quite a bit. And I actually, come to mind, recently did turn back on for the Jasper one. It's running really slow, just a couple of views a day. And that is a better way to do it, a safer way to use these tools. And so forth, right? So you could go and actually check some of this stuff, and I would be ranking for this stuff as well. So you would just come in and push create once you sign up for an account. I will leave a link below if you guys want to go check this out and sign up. You can just sign up with the link below. And you would just title your campaign, I'm going to say test, and you're going to say views right here, next step. And then it's super easy, guys, right here. All you're going to do is just put in the URL of your YouTube video, right? Then you're going to put in the title, the exact title of your of the video, and then you're going to put in a keyword that you want to rank for. And it's preferable, you really want to be smart about this, like the keyword should be included in the title, or you really don't have any business ranking for that keyword anyways, right? So recommended 1 or 2 keywords right here if you really want to rank. So keyword 1, and then if you wanted another keyword, you just push a comma, space, and then keyword 2. So that's how you would do that. And then you would just right here select how many views. Now you can't watch what happens if I push 600. It will give you an error when you go on to the next step. It won't let you even do it. The system is protected, and it's rather safe. It won't let you do more than 500 views. So if you really wanted to go with 400, but it's really recommended. Most videos only need 1 to 200 views on the video. And then you can also put this for how many days. So I usually like start off with like 3 days, 100 views or 200 views, and then it's going to go and give you how much credits it's going to use, and it's based on how long the video is. And it's going to go out and it's actually going to find your video in the search results, and then it's going to watch your video. So it's going to give you more watch time, and then that is going to, the fact that people are clicking on that video, watching it, and then they're going to go up. It's a whole system. I'm not going to go into how this system actually was built, but it's very, very sophisticated system. There's a lot of tools inside of Yive right here. And so, but this is just one unique tool inside of, like, they have dozens of tools. This is just one called Stacker, and you guys can pick up just Stacker. You don't have to be a member of anything else. You can actually sign up an account and everything and go through this link, click the link below, and just go and sign up for one of these plans. and you will have access to this stacker module right here. So you can use this just to help rank your videos and to get more watch time on your videos. Okay. So there's another one over here too. It's called User Ion right here. And basically, this is just the home page of different things that you can do. They have other tools in here as well. And really, once you're inside here, you can actually see some of these. Like right here, I'm going to click on one of the videos I've done on this channel, and it started off at like ranked 25, and then it went all the way up to the best ranking was like, I know that I ranked it number 1 actually. So it was ranking number 1, but right here it says 4.8. Get response review. This is a huge software. You can see ranking started off over here, and then using this software got it up to here. So these will help you rank your videos and, more importantly, get that watch time. And these are the only tools that I know of that can help you actually do this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content like this. All right, we'll see you in the next video.